What if you would like a centralized heat recovery ventilation system for your house, but you don't have space to fit in a big unit, or perhaps you've got a smaller building and you don't need the capacity of one of these quite large and powerful units? Well, the good news is there are other options out there. Over my shoulder here, you can see a concealed HRV unit. So this can be built into the ceiling space or a cupboard or something like that, and it does the same job as the centralized unit that you may have seen in some of our other videos. And if you haven't seen any of our other videos, do have a look to see the pros and cons of HRV and perhaps where you should install the different types. But if you've got a small building, let's say up to around 125 square meters roughly, then something like this might be great for you, because you can install it, let's say, in the ceiling. You don't have to have space in your laundry or somewhere else, or valuable cupboard space which you might not have, taken up by a classic wall-mounted unit. And this will do the same job. It will filter the air, it will extract stale air, it will extract moisture and smells from your building or your house, and it will bring in fresh filtered air which has been tempered to close enough to the temperature that the air that was extracted from your house. So units like this are suitable for new houses or renovations, but a really important thing is to not just put it in your roof space. And the reason is that in your roof space, it's going to get pretty hot, because that is typically outside of your insulated envelope. So you want to have this somewhere inside the insulated envelope, so maybe in a bulkhead, or you can create a sort of a reverse bulkhead in your ceiling space that's insulated to make that where like the housing or the home for this within the insulated envelope. And that will mean that your system will work efficiently as it should and will work as you expect. If you just put it in the roof space and hope for the best, what's going to happen is when it's hot in summer, for example, you'll find that this will actually be introducing extra heat into the house and make perhaps the rooms uncomfortable. And in winter, the opposite, it will be cooling it down. It won't be working as intended. So make sure it is installed within the insulated envelope of the house. Now, it's not super difficult to install something like this. Your local air conditioning contractor can probably help you out, or you could even have a go yourself if you're fairly handy and skilled. I'm only of medium handiness, I would say, and I can install one of these, so I reckon you could too. So if you're looking for a small, concealed, centralized heat recovery ventilation system, click on the link below and it will take you to a page where there are systems that we have tried and tested, and so you'll be able to install it with confidence, knowing that it is going to work how it's supposed to.